Welcome everyone in today's video of quick guide. Hey there HR professionals, are you looking for the video to how to log in to the Bamboo HR website? Just follow this complete tutorial video in order to get logged in. Go to your Google Chrome and search for Bamboo HR login. Here you can see many search results. As we need to log in, click on this login page for Bamboo HR users. Now you will be redirected to the Bamboo HR login page. Here you need to enter your company domain. Let's see what that domain means. That domain is the text just before .bamboohr.com. It is your domain. So if my company name is Temp Company, my link will be like https:/tempcompany.bamboohr.com. So just put the Temp Company as the company name. You need to enter your company name domain here and just simply click on this continue button, and you are done. You will be logged in this Bamboo HR website. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.